Hi, this video is to guide you how to add product set in Firepos. First we go to Setting. Then we click Product Set Group button on the top. Next we click the Add button. Key in group code. Then key in group name. Select the number for maximum option. Tick active and tick optional if the product set is optional. Then click Save button to complete Create Group. Next we go to Item to set the combo set. We click the category to filter the product. Then select the product you want and click Edit button. Then we go to the combo set section. To create a combo set first we need to click Add button. Next select the group name that we create before. Key in price if the item is charge. Then we select item to complete this. Now we try few more time for add product set. After done add product set, we can go into table to see the result. Now you can see the product set we added is showing it here. Next we will show you how to edit product set. First go to Product Set Group. Select the group then click Edit. Then edit the field you want to change. Remember to click Save to save the change. Next we go to Item. Select the item you want to edit, then click Edit. Go to Combo Set section. To edit product set we can direct change the field we wanted here. After edit don't forget to click Update to update the change. Now we go into table to see the change. You can see the fried rice after edit is under drink choice group. For add-on group now only can select 2 item. Thanks for watching.